An achievement as historic as detecting space-time waves deserves special honor. And this year, we gave a special breakthrough prize in fundamental physics to the leaders and their teams who brought it to fruition. Please welcome one of the founders of the Breakthrough Prize, Yuri Milner, and a Golden Globe-nominated actress, Sienna Miller.
In 1915, Einstein offered a theory which, if true, would fundamentally alter our understanding of the universe. A century on from Einstein's prediction of gravitational waves, the LIGO scientific collaboration, in a stunning discovery, was able to verify Einstein's prediction.
This breakthrough belongs to the visionaries who are we about to meet. And it belongs to over 1,000 men and women who created one of the most sensitive experiments in science. In fact, the detection of two black holes colliding 1 billion years ago belongs to all humanity. Let's find out more about LIGO.
Nobody had ever seen black holes collide and go into wild vibrations. Gravitational waves are the only way you could see the picture of the collision. We had an opportunity to test Einstein's theory of gravity.
We bring a new dimension to astronomy, looking for these cataclysmic things.
Well, LIGO stands for the Laser Interferometer Gravitational-Wave Observatory.
That's a bit of a mouthful.
LIGO's a project dedicated to look for gravitational waves Einstein predicted in 1916.
Gravitational waves are ripples in the shape of space and time, travel to Earth bringing detailed information about their source.
What does a gravitational wave do? It stretches space in one dimension and contracts space in the other, while the wave is propagating with the velocity of light coming at us from all over the universe.
And when the gravitational wave comes by, it pushes mirrors back and forth, riding on the stretching and squeezing of space.
To put it in perspective, we have these two black holes, 30 solar masses, 30 times the mass of the sun. They're moving at half the speed of light.
As the black holes collide, the rate of flow of time oscillates wildly. Gigantic waves like in a storm.
Massive objects that are cataclysmically colliding with one another.
In the first and strongest gravitational wave, we've seen 1/100th the diameter of the nucleus of an atom. This is damn small.
It took us 5 months to be absolutely certain that we were right. We also were able to show the shape of the signal was something the Einstein field equations predicted.
Every test of general relativity, every test it's come up against, it's passed.
Einstein, he had come up with something which worked to explain the black holes as well as us. That's pretty spectacular, I think.
We have detected gravitational waves.
The anniversary of general relativity was late November 1915, and we discovered these waves on September 14th, 2015, almost 100 years to the day. How cool is that?
For the observation of gravitational waves, opening new horizons in astronomy and physics, the Breakthrough Prize in Fundamental Physics is awarded to the entire LIGO collaboration, including 3 of its founders.
But even the most brilliant minds are housed in the fragile human brain. As you will see tonight, life scientists are rapidly unraveling the causes of neurodegenerative diseases. Tragically, they don't yet know enough to restore the fertile mind of Ronald Driver, one of our LIGO pioneers, to its best. But representing him and Scotland tonight is his great-nephew, Thomas Walter. Along with him, please welcome LIGO founders Kip Thorne and Raina Weiss.
This prize is shared by over 1,000 scientists and engineers from over 20 countries who contributed to LIGO's detection of gravitational waves.
Well, we view this prize as a recognition for a large group of people who made LIGO a success. You saw some of them in the picture. In particular, we acknowledge the entire LIGO team and the National Science Foundation, who, with taxpayer money, brought a technically risky project, okay? But one with great potential for real payoff, scientific payoff, to a successful outcome. Together, all of us and the taxpayers have opened a truly new field, and it's extremely exciting. Thank you.